Hello and thank you for watching this short announcement trailer about my new course called the Offensive Cybersecurity Pathway. My name is Jarno Baselier and during this course I will take you on an adventure lasting for more than 45 hours. And the things I will teach you are pretty unique because in the end you will be a skilled ethical hacker. But I don't think that the end goal is the most important part. I think the start is even more important because you can start this course even if you have zero knowledge. So even if you never have touched a computer before, you don't know what Linux is, you don't know what networking is, I will teach you all the specifics you need to know to do your job pretty well and pretty good. And in the end, you will be up to take on some major certificates or find a job in the offensive cybersecurity industry. But I think this course is so unique because you can start at any level. Sure, the course itself is divided in 6 different levels, 6 different smaller courses you may say, and you can choose yourself to start at which course you want to start. So if you have some intermediate knowledge, well, maybe you can start at level 3 instead of level 1, but if you have no knowledge at all, then you'll need to start at level 1, and I will teach you all the specifics you will need to know. And in the end, you will be an amazing hacker. I can promise you that because I will teach you all the things. But 45 plus hours of video content doesn't mean that you are done within 45 hours because you will need to dig in some topics, search for information, practice, play some capture the flag machines, etc. So for you it will be more like 100 or 200 plus hours, but nobody ever told you that ethical hacking was that easy. But if you put in the effort, in the end you will be amazing. And I think for all the topics that I teach you, the specific information that I tell you, and the value of this course, I think this course is maybe even underpriced, but I'll hope it will help you out. So this course is available at Udemy. Take a look at the links by this video. And the next thing I will do after I'm done talking to you is show you a few short clips about the course. So just to show you what you can expect of the course, how it will look, etc. So I hope to see you in the course, and I hope that I have convinced you to take a look at the topics and maybe buy the course. But either way, thank you for watching this trailer, and I wish you an amazing, fine and wealthy day. Have a great one. See you in the course. At least that's what I hope, and bye bye. What are payloads? Payloads are the executable code delivered after a successful exploit. So an exploit abuses a vulnerability, and that's the only thing the exploit does. But if we want to do something else, something malicious, this is usually called our payload. Where with the -r we can give it the request file like this, and it simply knows everything it needs to know. What we will do with this specific user, add the NTLM hash, we will add the Kali Linux 2.os.pathway DNS entry. This is a record resolving to our Kali Linux machine, and this again is the domain controller. What we see is that the application is passed again with a first chance exception on an exception access violation. So the application crashed, and we see the value in the instruction pointer, which is 35724134. And now this is done, and we can see the content of this folder. We do have an installation PowerShell script. We need to run this PowerShell script, and we can choose for a graphical user interface installation or for a command line installation. And for our sake, the most easy one is the GUI version. So simply choose to run install.ps1, and this will, if everything goes well, install Commando VM.